Before machines filled commercial gyms. Before adjustable dumbbells became household equipment. Before fitness apps counted every repetition. Strength had weight. Iron, steel, stone. Resistance meant lifting something heavy. The heavier the object, the stronger the training. For generations, this belief shaped the world of exercise. Then came an invention that challenged everything. Not by adding more weight, but by removing it completely. The fitness band. At first glance, it hardly looks like exercise equipment. A strip of elastic material, light enough to fit into a backpack, flexible enough to fold into a pocket. Silent, simple, almost ordinary, yet beneath that simplicity lies one of the most influential innovations in modern fitness. Because the fitness band changed a fundamental question. What if resistance didn't have to come from gravity? The idea behind resistance training is ancient. Long before organized gyms existed, humans built strength through resistance. Pulling ropes, carrying water, dragging wood, climbing, pushing, lifting. The human body adapts when muscles work against force. For centuries, that force came from the physical world. Objects had mass. Mass created resistance. Resistance built strength. The science remained unchanged. Only the method evolved. The first major shift came through rehabilitation. Physical therapists needed a safer alternative to heavy weights. Patients recovering from injury required controlled movement, not maximum force. Elastic resistance offered something unique. Unlike free weights, resistance increases gradually as the band stretches. This creates variable tension. The farther the movement, the greater the challenge. This characteristic fundamentally distinguishes fitness bands from traditional equipment. Instead of constant resistance, they provide progressive resistance. The human body often matches this pattern naturally. Many joints become mechanically stronger through portions of their range of motion. Elastic bands complement this behavior. The engineering behind modern fitness bands appears deceptively simple. Most are manufactured from natural latex, synthetic rubber, or advanced elastomer compounds. These materials possess remarkable elasticity. They deform under tension, then return almost perfectly to their original shape. Repeated thousands of times, this durability transformed the band from medical equipment into mainstream fitness gear. Color coding introduced another innovation. Different colors indicate different resistance levels. Light, medium, heavy, extra heavy. Users instantly recognize progression. The equipment teaches without words. Psychology plays a surprisingly important role here. Heavy weights can intimidate beginners. Fitness bands rarely do. They appear approachable, non-threatening, portable. This lowers the psychological barrier to exercise. People are more likely to begin when equipment feels accessible. Starting is often the hardest part. The fitness band quietly removes that obstacle. Athletic performance soon embraced the technology. Professional sports require movement in multiple directions. Traditional weights primarily work against gravity. Bands create resistance from nearly any angle. Forward, backward, sideways, rotationally. This versatility expanded training possibilities dramatically. Sprinters used them for acceleration drills. Swimmers strengthened stroke mechanics. Baseball players refined rotational power. Football athletes developed explosive movement. The same tool adapted across countless disciplines. Military organizations recognized similar advantages. Portable equipment matters. Training must occur anywhere. Bases, ships, remote environments. Fitness bands require almost no storage, almost no maintenance, yet provide remarkable versatility. This combination is rare. As home fitness expanded, the fitness band found its largest audience. Limited living space discouraged bulky equipment. Busy schedules demanded flexibility. Travel required portability. The band solved every problem simultaneously. One piece of equipment, hundreds of exercises, minimal cost, maximum adaptability. Modern exercise science supports many of these advantages. Resistance bands effectively improve muscular strength, endurance, mobility, and rehabilitation when used appropriately. They also encourage controlled movement. Momentum becomes less useful. Technique becomes more important. Quality replaces quantity. This shift benefits both beginners and experienced athletes. The body responds to resistance, not to the appearance of equipment. Whether force comes from steel or elastic material matters less than consistent application. That realization transformed public understanding of fitness. Innovation continued. Fabric resistance bands appeared. Hybrid systems combined handles and anchors. Loop bands targeted lower body training. Mini bands improved activation exercises. Tube bands increased versatility. The category expanded rapidly, yet every variation retained the original concept. Elastic resistance. Modern manufacturing improved durability dramatically. Earlier latex products sometimes degraded quickly. Contemporary materials resist tearing, sweat, ultraviolet exposure, repeated stretching. This reliability increased consumer confidence. The equipment became a long-term investment rather than disposable exercise gear. The fitness band also reflects changing philosophies of health. Exercise is no longer viewed exclusively as athletic performance. It includes rehabilitation, healthy aging, mobility, mental well-being, daily movement. Fitness bands support each of these goals. They adapt to nearly every age group, nearly every ability level. Few exercise tools demonstrate such inclusivity. Environmental awareness has also influenced production. Manufacturers explore recyclable materials, reduced packaging, longer-lasting compounds. Sustainability increasingly shapes product development. The fitness band continues evolving with broader cultural values. There is something philosophically elegant about its design. It achieves remarkable results using tension alone. No motors, no electronics, no fuel, no complicated mechanisms, just elasticity, harnessed intelligently. This simplicity explains its resilience. Technology often becomes obsolete quickly. The fitness band resists that cycle. Because it depends on physics rather than fashion, elasticity remains as relevant today as it was decades ago. Gyms may change, training trends may evolve, digital coaching may expand, but resistance itself never changes. Muscles still adapt, movement still matters, consistency still wins. The fitness band quietly supports all three. It asks very little, soars easily, travels anywhere, serves almost everyone. That combination is extraordinarily rare. And beneath the rubber, beneath the stretch, beneath rehabilitation clinics, Olympic training centers, military bases, home gyms, and millions of daily workouts, the fitness band tells a larger story. A story about accessibility, about intelligent engineering, about humanity's ability to transform a simple physical principle into a global tool for health. Because strength does not always come from lifting something heavy. Sometimes, it comes from learning how to work against resistance wherever it appears. The fitness band became exactly that lesson. Portable, adaptable, endlessly effective, and one of the most important exercise innovations in modern history.